Hello, welcome to Queen Mary. My name is Dan Smith. I'll be making a Navy strength old fashioned for you today. It's a spirit-forward drink, a stirred drink rather than shaken. It's made with ingredients that any home bar should have on hand, making it possible for anybody to recreate it. It begins with a touch of sugar. This is Demerara sugar syrup. It's 2 parts to 1. That's the sweet aspect. The bitter aspect, here is angostura bitters, the most essential of all cocktail ingredients. 2 nice heavy dashes that'll balance the sweetness. We add a touch of salt. That may sound unusual, but salt in drinks does the same thing as it does with food. It amplifies the flavors. We've got the sugar, we've got salt, we've got angostura bitters. Finally, the 2 spirits. First of all, Navy strength gin. This is Hayman's Royal Dock of London. Brings a lot of wonderful citrus and spice. Also, very, very traditional, a Jamaican rum. This rum is called Smith & Cross. Rich, heavy, pot distilled Jamaican rum. So 1 ounce each, Navy strength gin and Navy strength rum. Add ice and stir. As far as how much you stir it, you have to keep in mind that it's going to continue to be chilled and diluted there in the glass by the ice, which means I should stir it here, not all the way until it's done, not until it's perfect, but I should stop a little early. Leave it a bit hot, as we say. When you have your first sip, you may think to yourself, oh, this is a bit strong, but then by the 3rd or 4th sip, it's perfect. Because a drink like this certainly is something you shouldn't rush through. It's something you should take your time with. Strain it there into the ice. Serve it if you can on a nice large rock of ice. That's pretty easy to do at home. All you have to do is take a bread pan, say, fill it with water, put it in your freezer overnight, bring it out the next day, let it sit out to come up to temperature a little bit. That'll make it much easier to cut. Take a nice big chef's knife, one you don't care too much about. Cut yourself a big large piece of ice. It's just the right size for the glass you're using, and there you go. It makes a big difference to the quality of the cocktail. We tuck the peel in there for decoration as well. It's the Navy strength old fashioned. Cheers.